Emily. I'm back with another video. Today's video is just going to be on this unit from World New Hair. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. Bye. Okay, so here is the unit. And I did pluck this unit in like a widow's peak type of way. So, because I naturally have a widow's peak, so I just plucked it in that way. And it is 28 inches of their body wave, which I have blow dried it and all of that, so it's straight. And it is, they said 180, but it feels like 200. Maybe once it gets like curled and styled, it'll feel like 180, but right now it's super full. This is the inside of it. It is transparent lace, and I do already have my straps adjusted. I'm gonna cut this lace off the back today. I normally don't do this, but today I just don't feel like dealing with this. So, and I have been back doing the ball cap method lately, just because I haven't been liking my installs lately without it. So yeah, we just been back to our ball cap method. Which, I mean, it doesn't ever bother me to do the ball cap method anyway, so I did that. This is my first time. Oh, and I didn't add anything to the part. I just plucked the part, which is like something I don't typically do, but I did go ahead and pluck this part. Just to get it all nice. But yes, I feel like I did a good job. This was my first time plucking out a widow's peak. I normally try to create it with baby hair, so this was my first time plucking one out, and I'm happy with how it turned out. So I didn't use Nair or anything. I just did it with my tweezers. If you guys want a video on how I do a widow's peak, like if you want a widow's peak install in yourself, then just let me know and I'll do that. I'm gonna cut some of this lace off. The lace on this unit is, I think I told you it's transparent, but it's super stretchy and it's super soft, so it feels really nice. It's like a really nice quality lace. So I am gonna cut some sections. So yeah, I'm gonna cut some sections, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my ear tabs as well. And the reason I'm doing all of this before I'm installing it is just so I can see where I need to remove some of my ball cap. Yeah. Like right here, I need to cut a little bit more of my ball cap. That did the trick, because now my hairline is covering the ball cap. So picky is because I am going to be using, I'm going to be using the Isha Lace Wig Bond. And this is the Isha Fusion, the one with collagen and vitamin, and it's the collagen and vitamin infused. I get my Isha products from the Jenny collection, so shout out to the Jenny collection for sending me my Isha products. So just to, like, hold on y'all, I'm drinking some coffee. I got this Breakfast Club mug from the Breakfast Club. If you live in Houston, you already know how the Breakfast Club give it up with the breakfast food. So I'm just going to take a little nude pencil and mark. Do this however, you can follow the instructions, but I'm gonna follow my own. And I'm just going behind those dots, making sure everything is good and wiped off. Got a little makeup. Now I'm gonna go in with the Isha Bisha. Let me get my popsicle stick, bitch. This side down and some of the middle. I am going to go ahead and cut this so I can see what I'm doing on the other side of the middle part. So up, for the most part, you're done with it. Unless you're one of those people who like to go back in with your glue. I like to go back in with free spray even when I use glue, so that's just the girl that I am. But you know, everybody is different. Right now I'm just cutting off those pieces where I used the pencil to mark. Go in with a little bit of free spray right along the edges. Have it all installed, and I'm happy with how the install turned out. This is like my most flawless glue install yet, so I'm happy with it. Super happy with it. It is still a little ashy, but I'm gonna tie it down to get rid of all of that. But yeah, super intact, ain't going nowhere. Yeah, so I was gonna wear this one for a couple of days. That's why I went ahead and installed it this way, because y'all know normally I am a glueless type of girl, but I really do love the Isha line. If you don't like, you know, the regular glues, I feel like the Isha line is always just a step up from, you know, Got To Be and stuff like that. So it's more for like the girls who don't really wear glue, but you want to wear your wig for more than, like, you know, you want to get at least a week's wear out of it, because the Got To Be method, getting a week's wear out of the Got To Be method is like, you had to sleep pretty and tie your shit up every night. So while I'm letting the hair tie just sit on and melt the lace, I'm gonna style the hair. Like, I'm gonna curl it and stuff. So y'all know I'm gonna go in with my Wig Dealer spray. If y'all haven't checked out Wig Dealer, please do. I do not mind shining the light on other companies. Yeah, check out their spray. It's so bomb. It smells super good. Like, your hair is gonna smell super bomb, and it's gonna give it a little shine or whatever. I was filming another video, so my waves have kind of like dropped, but this is just, let me put it out to the front so you guys can see what it's looking like. Anyways, this is what it's looking like, and I did leave the ends straight just because I wanted a messy look, and I sprayed it with hairspray. So yeah, I just wanted a messy look, and I did not do any baby hair because I just didn't feel like I needed any. I felt like the install was like super flawless, so I just didn't feel like I needed any baby hair with the look. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I do love this unit. It's super pretty and it's super full. It turned out to be just as full flat ironed or curled as it was when it was blow dried. So I really like how the unit turned out. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. All of the links to the company will be in the description box, so just make sure you check that out if you are interested. And thank you, World New Hair, for sending me this beautiful unit, and I'll talk to y'all in my next one.